Morning everybody, Andy here. Hope you're well. Good morning to you all. So yesterday I was on a strategy call and I was trying to help somebody basically put a plan together for basically trading successfully and actually having a 2-year plan where we can kind of move the individual from where they are today up to, achieving a realistic income, that you can kind of rely upon, okay, in trading. And I was kind of just getting a little bit of information, and this person basically shared with me confidentially, and obviously I'm not going to be telling you their names, but they shared with me that they had a £1,000 account that they blew, then they put another 2,000 in that they blew, and now they've just funded their account with £500. And I want to speak about this a little bit because people kind of get into trading without really having a plan. I'm not even talking about a strategy. I'm not even talking about the 2-year plan that I was just referring to. I mean a plan for what they're doing. So they're just, trying to make some money. Okay, just trying to make some money. But there are many ways to make money in this world, right? You can go and sell your stuff on eBay and make money. So I want you to start thinking about trading differently. I want you to start thinking about trading as a business. Now, think about it like this. Would you start a business with a £500 investment? Do you think that's enough to sustain, the risks associated with trading, that you can make a living from that? Now, you might think, well, no, but it's just a test account, right? You just want to learn the basics. But here's the thing. I agree with you, and actually when I started out I had a £1,000 account, okay? But here's what I did. I treated it with respect. I treated it as if it was £1 million, and I basically adhered to strict risk management, so I had no chance of me blowing up that account. And here's why I did that, and why I recommend that you're going to do that, or you're going to do it on a demo account, okay? You need to build a formula, a rule-based approach, and you need to test it. You need to make sure it's robust. You need to make sure that you can stick with risk management, that your drawdowns are not too high. Because here's the thing that I want you to get, and it's something that I got really clear in my head 16 years ago when I started out. I needed a formula, not just some hype, not just kind of to make some quick money today. I needed a system, okay? I could rely upon. So as if I could basically do it on a £1,000 account over a certain period of time, at least say 12 months, then the only thing stopping me from making this a real income would have been money, capital. And so I thought, well, if I can figure out the formula, I can get the capital. And that's exactly what happened, okay? And back in those days, it was a lot harder to get capital than what it is today. So, I had to really hustle. I had to go and, work in the prop desk and things like that. But right now, you've got a real opportunity. You need to learn to build a solid, formulaic, rule-based approach to trading. You need to start implementing that either on a demo account or on a small account. But, here's the but. If you're doing it on a small account, you've got to make sure that you can take the correct risk per trade. Otherwise, if your account is too small and you can't place the correct risk because the position size would be too small, you're not going to get an accurate reflection of what you can do. And here's the other thing as well I want you to get, is that you're building habits. You're building habits. And so it's just like, okay, so 0.5% to 1% per trade, and then just keep doing that, going for your targets, and that will become your psychology. Your psychology will ultimately improve when you really believe in what you're doing. So that's why having rules is really fundamental. And actually, the capital part is not the biggest part. Personally, I think £500 is too small. Okay, I think you need to have at least £1,000 to be able to, depending on your strategy. If you're doing swing trades where you've got big stops, then again, you're not going to have enough position size. So I think a minimum of 1,000, ideally a £2,000 account. Personally, I would recommend you start with a simulated account, a demo account. Get practicing with once you've built your trade plan, by the way, this is only once you've got a plan. Get practicing, journal all your trades, learn from them, and then when you're kind of ready, fund a small account and then take it from there. Okay guys, hope it helps. Good trading guys. Take care. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.